Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make little chocolates. First, select your favorite chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, or white. Break it into small, uniform pieces for easier melting. Gently melt the chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring often until it's smooth and glossy. This careful melting process is key to a perfect texture. Once your chocolate is beautifully melted, it's time to get creative with flavors and textures. Stir in a few drops of your favorite extract, like vanilla or almond, for an extra dimension. You can also fold in delicious add-ins such as chopped nuts, dried cranberries, or colorful sprinkles. Just make sure everything is well combined. Now for the fun part, molding your little chocolates. Carefully spoon the melted chocolate mixture into your chosen silicone molds. If you don't have molds, simply drop small dollops onto parchment paper for rustic chocolate buttons. Gently tap the molds on your counter to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish. After molding, place your chocolates in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once set, carefully pop them out of their molds. Store your delightful homemade chocolates in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. They make wonderful gifts or a special treat for yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.